Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's Jan from Jandal in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-love items, and on occasion some beauty products. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that subscribe button below. If you are returning, welcome back. Today's video is going to be 2 bags that I have purchased from handbagcrave.com. I was watching Autumn Beckman's video and I saw a couple bags on there that I really liked, and she also offered a discount code, so I went on the site. I did find 2 bags that I really liked, and one of them is a dupe of a Kelly 28, and also the other one is a dupe of one of the bags that Meghan Markle was carrying, by Gabriella Hurt. So the first one we're going to start off with would be it's called a Claire bag. It is in green, and I've already unboxed it to save some time. I really love this, guys, and it is in genuine leather. And the measurements on this one, length is 21 centimeters, height is 10 centimeters, and your width is 10 centimeters. It's got a fabric interior. Let's go ahead and open it. And it opens up like this, which is quite different. Look at the inside. It's just a fabric interior. It's got one slip pocket there, but it can fit a lot of items inside. I just love this bag because it's different. You don't see a lot of this type of bag out there. I like how it creases in here like this. Gorgeous little bag. It looks like the tag is stuck in here that shows that it's leather. Look at that. Is that not cute? Look at how it's finished off here. Very, very nice little bag. Look at that. Here's the bottom. No feet, but it's a nice, well-made bag. Very structured, not flimsy at all. And there's a handle. Love, love, love this bag, guys. And I will insert a photo of Meghan Markle carrying it, as well as a little video clip. On that, but it's got the gold hardware on the top there with the turn lock. Still got the plastic and everything on it. Not going to take it off right now, but as you can see, it's fair weight, not too heavy, but I thought it would be great for my green collection of handbags. So there's that one. If you want to check it out, go on to Autumn Beckman's channel and take her code there. I believe she still has it for it's 10 or 20% off. Go check out her channel. They do have some really nice bags, different bags if that's what you're looking for to add to your collection. I just love this bag. So the next bag that I have is still from Handbag Crave, and it came in this box and opens up like this. I took it out already. I had a hard time undoing it, and also it came in this plastic here. I have not taken it out yet. It says love here, wrapped in this paper here, cardboard. Go ahead and take it off. Oh, look at the color of that, guys. I hope that crease is going to come out. It's right in the front of the bag. And this is a dupe of the Hermes Kelly, and it's got gold hardware. Let's go ahead and just undo this here. Take off this felt. And it is stuffed with paper. Go ahead and pull that out. And it does come with a strap, fully leather strap. I really don't like the crease in the front there. I really hope that can be worked out. But look at that. It's amazing. It's a pebbled leather. And it's all wrapped in plastic everywhere to protect it. It does have the feet on the bottom. And it's, like I said, fully leather. And inside is just a fabric material with 2 pockets on the side and 1 zip pocket on the inside. So go ahead and open it. Oh, it was this inside of it, zipper pocket was stuck together. I just pulled it apart there, guys. Love, love, love the color. And it smells of leather. Let me just take this plastic off here. It does come with this strap. Leather strap, same color with the gold hardware. It is adjustable, which is a really nice thing to have. It's finished off quite nicely, all the edges. It's quite nice. I mean, the hardware is a little yellow for my liking, but that's okay. It also came in this little bag. Comes with the key, as you can see here. Comes with the key. Also comes with the lock that's got the plastic on it as well, which is quite nice. It also came with one of their little twillies. I'm not going to use this one at all, but it was nice of them to include it. So there's that. And it also came with this little guy. You know what this represents. It's kind of cute. Got a little dent in the side there, but that's okay. Don't think I'm going to use this one either. So I thought I'd show you that. So here's the bag, guys. I just love it. The smell of leather is amazing. And look at the quality. Look at the quality on that. It opens up here on the side, which is quite nice. Once again, there is the feet to do a close-up. Look at the stitching. It's pretty nice. Pretty well-made bag. And I think I paid, look at the back. Handle's quite nice on it as well. Nice and sturdy. I paid, I believe, $167 Canadian. That is with the discount for the code from Amber as well as shipping. That's what I paid for this bag. What do you guys think? Is it? That's what I paid for this bag. What do you guys think? Is it not gorgeous? I love the color. The color is called Army Green. And when I saw this one that Amber was showing on her channel, I knew I had to have it. She had purchased hers, I believe, from Anniefeel, if I'm not mistaken, on Amazon, which I don't think she or he is selling them anymore. So if you're interested in getting a dupe like this bag, like the Kelly 28, go ahead on to Handbag Crave or go check out Autumn Beckman's channel and see what she unboxed there. I just love it. I think the quality is amazing. The leather is nice and soft, but still durable, still has some weight to it. Love this bag. I could not wait to get it. There was a mix-up in shipping. They sent me a dupe of a Birkin in the gold color. I had to send it back, but you know what? It is well worth the wait, and I'm so glad that it finally came. I just love this bag. I cannot wait to use it. I love it. The structure, everything about it, you know, if you can't get the real thing right now, why not get a dupe? I'm saving for the real bag, so see what happens maybe in the next couple months. So I just love this one, so I'll be using this one in the meantime. So here's my 2 bags from Handbag Crave in dark green as well as the army green. I just love these 2 bags. Gorgeous, gorgeous bags. So guys, till next time, take care, make sure you stay safe, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.